The beginnings of Casio, from paper to digital. In 1946, Casio Seisakujo Corporation was established in Tokyo, Japan. The company, later renamed in 1957 to Casio Computer Company, Limited, was founded by Tadao Casio, a Japanese engineer who began developing new technologies for the writing industry. Initially, the company focused on retailing products such as pencils, chewing gum and calculators, meant to compete against high-demand items readily available in the market. However, Tadao Casio realized that his company had the potential to pioneer unique technologies. Thus, he decided to expand the company's focus and subsequently became a leader in timekeeping technology. Casio's entry into the timekeeping industry dates back to 1972, where the company released its first electric watch, the Casiotron. The model was the world's first electric watch,